In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Etoro day trading strategies. Perfect for beginners. Let's get started with this exciting journey into the world of day trading on Etoro. To begin your trading adventure on Etoro, the first step is to navigate to their platform using your web browser. If you haven't signed up yet, take a moment to explore the website and familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources for trading stocks, crypto, and ETFs in one efficient app. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure once you've registered an account. Once you're on the site, the next thing you'll need to do is to log in. Look for the login button, which should be conveniently located on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. Use your registered email and password to access your account. Logging in is straightforward. If you ever run into issues, make sure to check if your credentials are correct or seek help through their support. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Etoro homepage, which is your starting point for many trading and monitoring activities. From here, navigate to the Discover section. Clicking on Discover will open a new array of options, presenting you with a rich selection of assets to explore and choose from, whether you're interested in stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. The next crucial step is identifying the asset you want to trade. Spend some time analyzing the various options available. Look at different market sectors, consider current events, and think about what aligns with your trading strategy. A well-informed choice can greatly enhance your chances of success in day trading. Once you've found an asset that catches your attention, click on Trade to get started. This action will take you to a screen where you can set the parameters for your trade. Pay close attention to these settings, as they will determine your entry and exit points, as well as your potential returns. Before confirming your trade, it's highly recommended to click on Chart to bring up the detailed chart for the selected asset. A careful examination of the asset's chart lets you analyze trends, review historical data, and make well-informed decisions. Chart analysis is a cornerstone of effective day trading. Adding on to the functionality of charts, you should now click on Indicators. This will allow you to enhance your chart with tools like moving averages and RSI, which will signal potential opportunities for buying or selling. Indicators are invaluable for spotting trends and signals that can guide your trading decisions. Finally, it's important to fully utilize Etoro's chart tools and indicators. Take your time getting to know each feature and identify which ones offer the most value for the strategy you wish to pursue. The goal is to create a trading plan that leverages these insights to maximize your success while managing risks responsibly. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to making informed and strategic trades on Etoro. Thank you for joining today's guide. Don't forget, the key to success is continuous learning and practice. Happy trading, and see you next time.